Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin access and a recent backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Next, open Settings and go straight to Personalization to inspect Start and Taskbar settings. Inspect which apps are pinned and toggle live tiles and recommended items to isolate the issue. Make sure notification and tablet mode settings aren't forcing a different layout before moving to deeper fixes. You'll run system repairs next because corrupted files often break the home screen. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano. If errors persist, run dism restore health to repair the image. Once complete, re-register Start and Shell Experience host with a targeted PowerShell command to refresh UI components. If the issue persists, create a temporary local admin user to confirm whether the problem is profile-specific. Finish by installing all pending Windows and graphics driver updates, then restart so changes take effect. Many visual issues resolve after a clean reboot. If your layout or icons are still wrong, restore the folder with your backed up settings or migrate data to the tested admin account. If nothing helps, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts. And as a last resort, run an in-place upgrade repair to preserve files while replacing system files. One tip: if safe mode fixes it, remove recently installed apps and drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.